As we know that today is the National Science Day. This is the remark of the discover the national C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect in 1928, and Raman effect is nothing but the scattering of light by molecules of solids, liquids, and gases, which causes the colors in the nature. It is a fantastic discovery. Is a legend in the science. His contributions are excellent, and today we are celebrating. Every year we are celebrating the National Science Day. And science, let me say the meaning of science in Telugu. అనంత విశ్వం ఒక మహాద్భుతం, అందులో విజ్ఞానేశ్వరన ఒక తీరని దాహం. మానవుడు తన అజ్ఞానాన్ని తెలుసుకోవడమే నిజమైన విజ్ఞానం. దానికి స్ఫూర్తి విద్య.